Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video, and 3 days back I created this effect. I just uploaded the video, not the tutorial, and you guys really liked it and some people want to know how I created this. So here's a tutorial of this effect in this video. So let's start this, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So I'll just stop this video. I'll close the Chrome. So let's quickly create a project. I'll use a third person template and on desktop. And so we have this project, and if I play, we have this character, right? So what I have to do is if I create a Niagara and call it FX, and it has this fountain, right? So I'll call it like source, and I'll make these particles red. And let's delete this and use the spawn burst, maybe 100 particles. Just spawn once and make the life infinite. And let make this also gray so you can see it properly. So what I'll do, and the effects, go to preview and turn this off and make this gray. Okay, so we have these particle. I don't need any of these module. And let's